Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on the feature that allows you to silent notifications while driving. So if you're a person who drive and you don't want to be distracted, let's say you're on the highway and you're constantly receiving notifications from all sorts of different applications, this at times can get very annoying and very distracting. So having this feature enabled can definitely allow you to focus so that you can drive safely. So go ahead and open up settings on your phone here and go to safety and emergency. Scroll down to where you find silent notification while driving, tap on that. And from here, you can simply go ahead and toggle this on to enable the feature that allows you to silence your notifications while driving. Really hope you found this useful, guys, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, and on top of that, if you're new to the channel, really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.